Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I will be making Alur Dum or Bengali Style Aloo Dum. Bengali Style Aloo Dum is prepared with baby potatoes or small sized potatoes that are newly harvested, so this dish is prepared specially during the winter season. This aromatic dish is rich in flavor and has a semi-dry gravy. Bengali Style Aloo Dum tastes best when served with luchi, puri or kachuri. So, to learn how to make the most flavorful dish of Bengali Style Aloo Dum by my mother-in-law, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 700 grams of baby potatoes pressure cooked for 4 whistles, cooled and peeled, 2 medium-sized onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 to 3 pods of garlic, 1 inch of ginger peas, coriander leaves for garnish, 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1 dry red chili, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 to 3 pods of green cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of dry red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Take a grinding jar, add the onions, a little bit of water and grind it into a fine paste. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. In the same grinding jar, add tomatoes, ginger and garlic pieces and grind it into a fine paste and keep aside. Heat a large kadai and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and let it smoke. Add the boiled potatoes, a little salt and fry till they turn light golden brown in color. Remove and keep aside. In the same kadai, add 1 more tablespoon of mustard oil and heat it. Then add cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, dry red chili, bay leaf, asafoetida and stir it for few seconds. Then add the onion paste and cook till the paste turns light pink in color. Now add the tomato paste, a little salt and cook till the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears and oil is separated from the tomato paste. Then add the cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, adjust the salt, add a little water, mix it well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the potatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Then add water enough to cover all the potatoes and boil it into a thick gravy. Once the gravy has thickened, add garam masala powder and cook for a minute. Garnish it with coriander leaves and serve them hot with luchi, puri, kachuri or paratha. If If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and support me by subscribing to my channel and by sharing my videos. I have shared the link for korai shutir kachuri or green peas kachori, which tastes heavenly with alurdom, in the description box below.